the brows already, and let's see how that goes. So in this makeup tutorial, it requires a lot of facial prepping, moisturizers, because that's what's going to keep the whole foundation intact. And she has a very nice skin, so I'm applying my moisturizer, which also serves as a primer. It has a very good consistency. And I am adding my iconic illuminator. This is an optional process. I'm adding this because I want a glow, you know, that glow on her cheek. I needed it. It's really optional, but if you love it, you can also add it with any product of your choice. So when I'm done doing that, I'm going to be adding my blush. I'm using this floral pink. It's actually beautiful for her skin tone. And I'm blending. Blending is an important game in the makeup industry. You need to blend to professionalism. So I'm highlighting under her eye with my concealer, and I'm also blending out. Then this is my foundation placement. If you take a very close look, I'm actually should I use the word selfish with the foundation. I just added it to a few places that I felt I might need it more to get what I'm looking for. Then I'll still do my blending game. Okay, when it is ready, I have to set the whole foundation with a dry compact powder. Then I'll also aim for a uniform look, which is also a very important role. Then I'm going over to baking the face. I don't know what you call this in your place. I call it baking a lot. So it's actually fun doing that, you know, making the model look all whitish. I add a little drop to the eyelid to remove any oil residue on there. Then I'll go back to blushing the high cheekbones. Then to allow my baking powder to set after application, I'll go over to the brows. So I'm going in with the Benefit POWMADE gel on the brows. Then I'm going in with the Benefit pencil. It's actually light. So to clean out my pencil, I'll be using the same shade of concealer that I used for her highlighting. Then I'm blending out. Like I always say, blending out is a game for the makeup world. You have to blend. And okay, I'm still going to set the concealer again. So I'm using like a tone lower than her original skin color for the crease, under crease, yeah, and the crease bone, and along the crease bone too. So today I want to create a crease, but I'm not going full or semi, just halfway. And I'm trying it for the first time, and I really want to know how the outcome looks like. So I'm cleaning off my crease, and I'm using my eyeshadow base to clean up. You can still use your concealer if you have that. It will give a very smooth base for the eyeshadow that you want to put. Then for the dark corners of the eye, I'm using a lighter brown. Then I'm also using a rose pink, kind of. I'm not familiar with pink colors, so I'll call it a baby rose pink, I guess, for the eyes. I'm using the Inglot black gel to draw a wing I think this creates balance for the eyeshadow. For the lip, she has a really full lip, so I'll try not to be excess with the lip. For the lip work, I'm going to be using a deep wine red to outline her outer lip. This will create a base, an outline base. Adding an orange color for the inner corners of the lip. Then for the last part, I'm also adding a nude color to fade off the orange so it doesn't appear orange. The lip gloss for glow, so I went over to removing the excesses from the powder, and I'm placing my lashes. My false lashes is actually looking great, and I thought it would be too long, but it kind of gave me the vibe that I was looking for. And oh wow, she's looking good. Then I had to blend out any remaining harsh lines, and she's already feeling herself. So highlighting and contouring the nose area, I'm putting in my bronzer. Then I also re-highlighted the cheekbones again, just to give it that sweet look. And I re-highlighted the nose again, just to make it obvious. Then on her lower jawline. Then I applied my setting spray. And voila, baby girl is babying. She's looking popping. And this is the outcome. Like, if you were not in this video, you will never tell how less of a foundation was used to achieve this skin tone. And you can see the effect from the illuminator and all that. So if you love the process and you watch this video to the end, please hit the like button, follow us, and hit the notification button too for more updates. Is your girl popping? This is out before the hair section, and this is the outcome. Hope you loved it.